Today I'm going to show you how to preserve the family Bible. What we do today actually can be used for any rare book, but because the family Bible may contain additional family history, we want to take some special consideration with that. So before you begin any preservation project, you're going to want to wash and dry your hands carefully. You don't want to transfer oils to your valuable objects. I'm taking an extra precaution by also donning cotton gloves. Take your family Bible and go through it and remove any and all records, newspaper clippings, photos, anything that might be stored in it separately. Take those out of the Bible, scan or digitize them, then you take the original objects and store them in archival quality enclosures like archival quality envelopes or polyester sleeves. Additionally, if there are any handwritten notations made in the Bible, you're going to want to take a picture of that image, store that as well, and then take a piece of archival interleaving paper and place it in the book where the handwritten notes are made. This will prevent bleeding on opposite pages. Measure the size of your family Bible. Order an archival quality box that is slightly larger than the size of your Bible. When I say an archival quality box, I mean acid-free and lignin-free. That is the proper material used for long-term storage and preservation. Line your box with unbuffered tissue so that it completely encloses the Bible. Carefully handle and place it into the box. Wrap it with tissue. Once it's wrapped with tissue, if there's extra space between the Bible and the interior box, you're going to want to pad that with additional tissue. You want to give it a slightly snug fit so it doesn't slide around. Once you've padded your Bible, you're going to want to add the objects you removed originally back to the box, simply placing them on top of the wrapped Bible. Now you're ready to close your box. Now it's ready to be labeled and stored in a cool, dry space, avoiding cellars and attics, which can have large swings in humidity and heat. Family Bible is now prepared to be preserved and shared with generations to come.
Go to Gaylord.com to start your preservation journey today.